Alright, y'all. What I've been doing is I've been watching a YouTube channel called Cowboy Kent Rollins. Really does a good job of cooking. He says you take your catfish and you dry it, get all the water off, so that the egg dip will stick to it really good. Or whatever dip you're using. Of course, put it in my batter. Do every piece like that. Dry it off really good. Put it in the egg dip. Now I'm not going to go through every one of these with you. I wouldn't want to put you through that. Just so you get an idea. Alright. And then we're going to take in this, it's not quite up to temperature yet. I got my batter. Set this on top. Put this over here. Give it a few turns. Get a real good coating on it. Whew, still got too much of that in there. Let me shake it back down. There we go, that's much better. Alright, you see how it's coated? Now what he does, he goes one step further. He actually dips it again and then does it. And I'm thinking about doing that myself. But my dang oil is not up to temperature. Miss Betty's making the hush puppies right now, y'all. I will have the recipe down below on the hush puppies. And when she gets them done, I'll bring them out here and we'll get to frying them. Let my oil get warmed up and then we'll be ready to knock these out. Hey y'all, I'm gonna be doing some catfish frying today. I'm gonna use I got me some batter. I'll put the picture somewhere in here. You can see the kind of batter I'm using. And I got this Cajun injector batter pro. I think Bill Gowdy's got one of these. You put your fish on top or chicken or whatever. Cover it up, put it on here. You flip it back and forth and it breads it for you. I never used it before. Miss Betty has, but I wanted to try it. And I got some eggs and buttermilk. I'm outdoors, so you know, you get a little piece of a limb or two every now and then. I got my peanut oil, 100% peanut oil, rock and rolling. Y'all seen me pour that in. And I would normally use my cast iron, but I wanted to try this out. I got this down to Lowe's for like 20 bucks. Marked down. It's perfect for putting their fish in here and dipping her down into that. All I'm doing now is waiting for that to get up to about 350 degrees. We'll be ready to rock and roll. Yeah. I'm on the power driver today, right? And I'm gonna pile drive it. Colt 45 pile driver. If you ain't never had none, boys, y'all gotta try it. I'm loving this fall weather. I don't know where y'all are. I know we got some bad weather, and I'm sorry, Harvey Spooner. They got a hurricane named after you. It's pretty bad, dude. I hope you don't do too much damage, because there might be some people moving up your way, and if they find out your name's Harvey. Oh, that is liquid goodness, I'm telling you. Y'all stick around. We're finna fry some catfish up. I'm out. Alright, y'all, I think she's up to temperature now. Let's try it out. Ooh, hang on a minute. About forgot. I got a basket. Oh yeah. And Miss Betty mixed up these. Look at these, y'all. This has got cheese in it, pimento peppers, corn. This is one of the best. I'll have the recipe down below in the description. This is the best hush puppies I tell you, you're gonna ever want to put in your mouth. Holy moly. They got cheese in them, guys. Look at that. Small spoonfuls. Within a couple of minutes, these are going to be done. And the reason why I know they're that good, I just tried them a while ago. Yeah, off camera I did. They actually got jalapenos in them too. So if you like them hot, put more in there. Oh my God. Look at the goodness. I'm telling you. Shouldn't take much more than a couple minutes for these to be ready. And then we can get them out. Kind of flip them over a little. Make sure they get golden brown on both sides. Do the same with my fish. Oh Lord. This is awesome, y'all. I really like doing this. If you ever get a chance to get out and do some outdoor cooking, use 100% peanut oil. I'm telling you, it's the best. Any kind of oil that is good for high temperature, that doesn't scorch, that's the kind you want to use. And peanut oil is one of them. It's more expensive, but it's really, really good. I know by using it when I deep fry a turkey, that is, oh my gosh, one of the best. Has the best flavor. I'm really liking my setup I got out here. I got my grill, got my tables, got my deep fryer. It's awesome. Now I would have used my cast iron, but like I say, I wanted to try this out. Looks like this is going to be awesome. This is going to work really good. And these hush puppies, they'll get to where they don't want to cook no more. You don't see no bubbling coming off of them. I like getting them really dark brown. Then I know they're good and done inside. There's some crispies. Ooh, it's gonna be good. My fish is not done, but looks like these are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Go ahead and plate them up. Put them on something to drain on. Oh yeah. Can't wait to get into them. And my fish, I can break it. And that gives me a good idea when it's cooked or not. Just takes a little longer when it's a whole piece like this, and if you cut them in little quarters, it cooks a little quicker that way. Alright, y'all. Hang tight. We're fixing to try these out. Hey, y'all. Check it out. This is awesome. Now, I know you're supposed to have vegetables and everything else, and Bill Gaddy's probably going to kill me because I'm not putting everything else with it. But I'm telling you, these things are awesome. You just break into them. Oh my God. They're so tender and fluffy. Mmm. I would have to say, them's the best hush puppies I've ever put in my mouth. Unreal, man. Y'all really got to try that. Please look down below at the ingredients. You're really going to like it. It's really, really good. And this fish, look at that. Golden brown, flaky. That's just terrible. terrible. That is so good, man. Listen, I appreciate you coming by Calvin's Corner 72 today. Try to make this video as quick as I can. I got a bunch more fish to fry up. If you stick around, after this oil cools down, I'm going to show you how I filter it out. A little contraption I got at Walmart. Of course, it was on sale. Y'all come back and see me. It's Calvin's Corner 72. Leave me a comment down below. Hit that like button. Don't forget. Get over here where the getting's good. Alright, y'all. The oil, I think, is cool enough. I got this 8-inch plastic oil funnel down to Walmart. Come with these real handy filters. I also use this to filter my hooch, by the way. But today I'm going to be pouring oil and then let it go back into here. It should catch all the brown stuff, all the crap in between. So y'all hang tight, say a prayer, and I hope I don't spill it. I just hope it ain't too hot. It's too warm. I don't condone y'all doing this unless this oil is really cool. I don't want nobody to get burnt. I'm in just a little more hurry than usual. That's actually working pretty good, guys. But it will catch a lot of that sludge. This makes it go quite a bit faster. Now see what I got here in the bottom of this pan? That's what you're left with, all that sludge. So it should, as this goes down, it'll be ready for next time. Hey, listen, I appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72. I've had a ball, and I got a question for y'all. Do you crave milk after you eat catfish? I know cats like milk. I wonder if that's why they call it catfish. It's just because of the whiskers or something. I've been drinking milk like crazy ever since I've been eating this catfish. I don't know why. Does anybody else do that? Let me know in the comments down below. I really appreciate it. Y'all come back and see me. It's Calvin's Corner 72. It's been a lot of fun.